Resistance to change isn't just frustrating, it's costly. Line managers aren't fully engaging, HR is overwhelmed with admin, and leadership is left without the visibility they need to make informed decisions. Meanwhile, your organisation stays stuck in a cycle of inefficiency, rising costs, and lost potential.
At Empactis, we make sure every transformation is simple, effective, and accessible for everyone. Our platform doesn't just streamline absence, health, and HR case management. It's designed to make life easier for every person in your organisation. Line managers gain guided workflows that eliminate guesswork. HR teams are freed from the admin grind, and leadership gets the real-time insights they need to drive smarter decisions. Employees, on the other hand, experience processes that are seamless, fast, and supportive.
For leadership, it's all about clarity. Empactis provides actionable analytics that reveal what's really happening in your organisation, from absence patterns and manager behaviour to compliance gaps. Managers get the confidence to act, knowing they're supported by a system that guides them through every step.
The results speak volumes. Here is what a manager at a well-known utilities company had to say. I'm finding Empactis a great tool, and it's amazing to see additional work going into it to increase the functionality. I've often found HR processes and systems painful, but Empactis has been a refreshing addition to the manager toolkit.
Another client saw a major shift in leadership buy-in when they realised how much they could save. Within months of implementation, legal fees dropped, admin time was cut, and productivity surged. What started as resistance turned into full-blown advocacy for Empactis.
Empactis doesn't just solve problems, it removes barriers. Our phased approach ensures a smooth transition, giving your team the time, tools, and confidence they need to embrace change. Request a demo today and let us show you how Empactis can help you gain buy-in, drive engagement, and transform the way you manage your workforce. The change your organisation needs starts here.